Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Eileen. Today I'm going to compare two really popular styles from Belle Tress, Califia and Caliente. Now Califia is brand new. I have a review of it. I will link it below if you haven't seen it already, but I've had a lot of questions about the difference between Califia and Caliente, so I thought I will just do a quick video and show you how they're the same and how they're different. Like I said, I've already done full reviews on both of these and they will be linked in the drop down box below this video. Okay, the first thing I want to do is show you the inside of the cap. Okay, this is my Caliente. Lace front, mono part, open wefted with closed ear tabs. Now it has an extended felt nape. Want you to see that. And then on my Califia, the same in the front, lace front with mono part, closed ear tabs with stays, but it has a non-extended felt nape. They're the same all over except for the napes. This one has an extended. Caliente, Califia does not have an extended felt nape. Otherwise, the cap construction is the same. Okay, let's just do a quick overview of Caliente. I have it in Rootbeer Float Blonde. This is such a beautiful color. It is available in around 38 shades. There's a lot of shades in Caliente. Heat friendly, of course, lace front, like we said, mono part. It is just this deconstructive wave pattern that I think is so pretty, so super popular right now. The front of Caliente is 7 to 12.5, so it's layered. Bang, goes from 7 to 12.5. The back on Caliente is also 12.5. Has a 5-inch nape, so it has an overall length of 5 to 12.5. It weighs 3.8 ounces. Okay, let's just have a quick look at Califia. Heat friendly, of course, lace front, mono part. This one's available in 30 shades, where that one's 38 shades. Now this one's a little different, Califia. It has a very blunt cut on the bottom, where Caliente does not. This one's very blunt cut, which I think brings it up a little bit more trendy. The back's 11, the sides are 11 as well. The nape is 4 on this one. The overall length is 11 inches. So it is 4 and it weighs 4.1 ounces. Okay, what do you think? Do you think these are sister styles? I think I do. All right, just really quickly, I'm going to show you my Caliente. Now just remember, her sides are 12.5, her back is 12.5, her nape is 5. Califia, the sides are 11, the back is 11, and the nape is 4. So yes, they are so similar styles. In my opinion, the only thing's really different is Califia has the blunt cut. It's very blunt. There's only about 1 inch to 1.5 inches difference in the length in these. I don't think you could go wrong with either one of these styles. They're both gorgeous. They're both beachy waves. One has an extended nape, one does not, but otherwise they are very similar. So yes, I think they're sister styles. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this just fast comparison of these two wigs. Please subscribe to my channel, hit that bell notification, and I'll see you next time.